Yeah, crashing would be bad. Are you ready?
Kinda ready.
You feeling
Hold on,
peaceful?
I gotta do some finger exercises.
Okay, good idea. Oh, okay. Okay, good. Whoa, oh, that's not peaceful.
Alright, gloving up.
Here's the bridge.
Hit the bridge to the other side.
Here we go. This is it. Which way are you going?
This way.
Oh boy. Woo!
I don't know, my fingers are pretty sore.
Really?